True. Whoa. So, one of the most asked questions that I get on my makeup is, how do I do my eyebrows? It's really simple, y'all. It's really easy. It's no trick, no secret. It's just, you have to know how to use the products that you got. And I'm going to show you how I use the products that I have to do my eyebrows. I've been doing this to my eyebrows for 2 years now, and it seems to be foolproof for me. It lasts through sweat. It lasts through basketball. It lasts through, you know, clubs. It lasts through parties. It lasts through water. It is foolproof. When I tell you these brows don't come off unless you take them off, I stand. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my brows, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. So y'all, I use a couple things to get my brows perfect, okay? But you only have to use a minimum of like 2 of these things to, you know, get your brows right. I'm gonna show y'all my whole little routine, okay? So the main thing you need is some eyebrow gel and some concealer. I use Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. And I also use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now, you can use any concealer and any eyebrow thing that you want. You know what? It's waterproof. Period. You know what? Sign me up right there. Waterproof. Waterproof. This stuff does not budge when it goes on your eyebrows, y'all. I'm not joking. So we're going to be using this today. And then to set my brows, even though this brow wiz does a good job on its own, I like to go through with a brow gel. This is Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. This is unnecessary, but I think it's necessary personally because I like my brows to look more natural. So I use this to make my brows look more natural. Let's get this thing started. So first I'm just going to brush through my brows just to, like, you know, tame on. Don't mind my crusty edges, y'all. Okay, so like I said, for my eyebrows, I like to take Anastasia Dip Brow. Y'all don't mind my nails, they need a fill-in, I know. It's not that serious. But basically, I just start on my under my brows. So I just do a line right here, like so. And then I do a line in the front, like so. And then from there, I just take the product and mimic brow hairs. And then I do a line at the top, but not starting in the beginning, sort of in the middle. Then I do my arch, because you want your arch to be like prominent. And then my brow is almost done. All I gotta do now is just fill in the little sparse areas. And like I said, just make like hair strokes, which is just like this. You see? Okay, I'm sorry. The show must go on. That's how you get the gradient effect. You don't get the gradient effect by adding product. You just get the gradient effect by brushing product that you already have in your brow forward. Okay, now that my brows are all filled in, I'm just gonna go in with some brow gel to set them in place and just like do that final sweep through. So now to like finalize your eyebrows, this is what seals the deal with your brows. I'm telling you, this makes it look like you just went and got your eyebrows waxed, even though like I ain't never went and got my eyebrows waxed. I always do this, or I do my brows myself, because I don't trust them people with a knife or a razor near my eyebrows, because they be making you have them like stick brows that look like stick people, and I ain't with it. So I take this brush right here from Morphe, the Morphe M432 brush, along with my concealer. Like I said, I use Tarte Shape Tape because it's the most full coverage concealer I own. So we're just gonna take this on this brush and we're gonna go up under. Now, I know a lot of people say to get a concealer that's a couple shades lighter than you. I use a shade that is my skin tone because I feel like it looks better. It still looks highlighted because it's like concealer right up under your brows. It's not like you put anything else up on it. And a lot of times when you use a concealer that's too light up under your brows, you end up looking crazy in pictures. And y'all be taking these folks' advice and it don't be looking good. So I use a color that's my skin tone so that I can blend it into my skin. Cause like I mentioned before, I don't wear foundation. So for me to use a lighter concealer would be hard, because I have nothing to mask the off color with. Like, I'm like stranded. I don't have nothing to hide the fact that I have concealer on my brows. So I use a concealer that matches because it just looks more natural. And I do not put concealer on the top of my brow. That looks so ugly sometimes, y'all. When y'all have those two like lines going right here and right here, it can look so fake to the point where, I mean, yeah, I can see your brows are outlined. Most people, when they get the eyebrows waxed, they up here, it doesn't be 2 shades lighter than your skin. It just be your skin color, y'all. I'm telling y'all, do not put a lighter concealer on the top of your brow. And then I just blend the rest with my finger. And I make sure to blend in between my brows, because if you don't, it'll look like displaced. Oh, make sure to wipe back here, because you don't want that like line to be like sticking out right there. And that is how I do my eyebrows. So if you enjoyed this little tutorial, don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for more of me, for more videos. And until next time, bye.